Hi children, how are you? I hope you're well at home. Today I'm going to teach you festivals, Indian festivals, how we are celebrating festivals in India, which festivals we are celebrating. So that all information I'll give in this class. So and a festival is a very special day when the people they get together and they celebrate the festivals. They even in the festival time they meet many friends, even the family relatives. So they all meet in these special days. What they will do on this occasion? They pray for the God and they giving gifts to one another, and they taken the special food. That means they eat the special food on this beautiful occasion. And many festivals they are filled with joy, fun, happiness in their family. So there are many festivals are there. First I'll introduce about the Diwali. Diwali is a, it is celebrated in the month of the October or November. Diwali is celebrated in the October or in November. Diwali is called a festival of lights. So all the houses all they are decorated by the lights, and the people praying a goddess Lakshmi or lightning diyas. So they will do in this festival, and even they cook many variety foods and they eat, and even they burst the crackers also. They burst the crackers. So they are enjoying a lot of in the festivals. I'll say one thing, no crackers. Say no crackers. Why? Because Diwali means it is a festival of lights. So we have uh, to lightning the diyas and the deepagalna ಹಂಚಬೇಕು. But we don't use the crackers. Why? Because the crackers cause noise and air pollution also. Noise and air pollution. This noise may harm our ears and people with breathing problems. Those who have breathing problems. So when the air is polluted, they will health problem or will be difficult. And some people get injured while lighting the crackers also. So you should avoid the crackers. This Diwali going to be healthy Diwali. Okay, next festival is the Holi. Holi is one of the spring festival. In the spring season we are celebrating the Holi. It is with a many colorfuls. So in this day all the people they play with colored water colored or with the colors also. So it is called the festival of colors. Many Holi is conducted with many colors. And before the Holi there Holika is burned the night before the Holi. She is a Holika. She is one of the Rakshas, evil. Okay. So that's why. So they burned the Holika's statue before the Holi. And again they taken sweets and they will do dance and sing and they enjoyed a lot of. And next festival is the Eid. Eid comes after the month of Ramzan. So after the month of the Ramzan, the Eid festival come. So during this month, people fast. So that means they will not eat anything and they will not drink anything also from sunrise to the sunset. So in the Ramzan time, Eid is celebrated the day after the end of the Ramzan. So 1 month all they are taken fasting. So after the 1 month they are celebrating. It's a grandly. People pray and wear new clothes and they eat many dishes, special food and many dishes also. And the people wish one another Eid Mubarak. Okay, the people, they wishing other to the Eid Mubarak. The next festival is the Guru Purab. So Guru Purab is celebrated the birthday of the 10 Sikh Gurus. So Sikhs, they are celebrating this festival. So they are celebrating as the mark of the 10 Sikh Gurus birthdays. People celebrate by going to the Gurudwaras. How we are going to the temple, like that the Sikh people, they go to the Gurudwara. It is also one of the temple. They praying the gods. They take Prabhat Peri. Prabhat Peri. So they walk like a Prabhat Peri, and they eat at Langar. Langar means they are eating in the community feast. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಮಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಮಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ December 25th. So what's this special means? The birthday of the Jesus Christ. People celebrated Christmas by praying and decorating their homes also, and they go to the church and they will pray, and they sing chorus and give present to the another. Many homes have a Christmas tree. It's decorated with the stars, bells and the lights, and they are enjoying a lot. And children hang up stocking to receive the presents from the Santa Claus also. Santa Claus came to the Christmas day, and he will present the many gifts to the children also. Okay children, I hope you are understand the lesson. Next class I will continue the lesson. Okay, bye.